Everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make this potholder. I use 7mm hook, 7mm yarn and wooden ring. Make a slip knot, insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, make a slip knot. Insert your hook into this ring like this. I show into this ring. Take slip knot, pull up this yarn. I show, add one chain, fix yarn, insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together, make one single crochet. Now we have 2 stitch on this ring. Continue, make single crochet. This is third single crochet. Repeat, 4, 5, high tail of yarn under stitch, 6, 7, 8, 9 stitches in here. After this 9 stitch, make 1 and repeat, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 in here. Increase one more stitch between 9 stitches in here. 9 in total. We have 19 single crochet in first round. Continue, add one chain, turn the work, go to every stitch I show, go to this stitch, take 2 yarns on hook. We have 2 yarns in here, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and repeat. We have with this first chain we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 single crochet, 8 9. After 9 stitches I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stitches. Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, add 1 2 chains, go to same stitch in this stitch, increase 1 more single crochet in this stitch. Continue, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In this side we should make 1 2 3 4 6, 7, 8, go to last stitch, 9, in this side 9 stitches, increase 2 single crochet, 2 chains, 9 stitches, add 1 chain, turn the work. In second row, take 2 yarns in first stitch. I show insert your hook. In here we have 2 yarns. This loops on your hook, pull up yarn, make 1 single crochet in here. In next stitch, continue from back loops. We have 2 loops in top of this stitch, look like a chain. I show like these chains look like a chain. Continue to crochet from these loops, back loops. Take back loop on your hook, make single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Go to these chains. We have 2 chains in here. Go to here, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2 chains, go to same chains, 1 single crochet. Continue from back loops. Continue to crochet from back loops, these loops. Take back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same as this side. Go to last stitch. In last stitch, take 2 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 1 single crochet. In here, in this side, I show 9 back loop, single crochet with first stitch and this stitch. In total we have 11 in here, 11 in here. Turn the work. In first stitch, take 2 loops. In next stitch, from back loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in this row. Go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1 single crochet. Continue from back loops. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back loop, single crochet in here, take 2 yarns on hook. In last stitch, make 1 single crochet. 10 back loop single crochet, 10 in this side. With this stitches we have, with first and last stitches we have 12 stitches in total. Increase 2 stitches in this side, 2 stitches in, we increase 1 stitch in these sides, 12 in here, 12 in here. In previous row we have 11 stitches in here, 12, make a chain, turn the work, take 2 yarns in first stitch, 1 single crochet, continue from back loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go to these chains, 1 single crochet, 1, 2 chains, 1 more single crochet in here, continue from back loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In last stitch take 2 loops, make single crochet, turn the work, and repeat like this. In here we have 9, 10, 11 and 12. In this row we have 11 stitches in this side. With this stitches in total we have 13 in sides. In next row 14, in next row 15, 16, and continue like this. In first stitch and last stitch take 2 loops on your hook and make single crochet. I made until here like this. In this in last stitch in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 in this side, 22 in this side, 20 back loop single crochet with this stitch, 22 stitches in sides. In total I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 rows in here. First rows in total we have 16 rows. Hide tail of yarn under stitches. I have 17 centimeter in here, 12 centimeter. I showed this ring, 6 centimeter. and we have 16 centimeter in this side.